Look who's here.
Thank you guys for the delicious banh here in Sacramento.
We got the grilled pork, and then Zach got the #1. Super, super good. We're here at Tasty with Dad. Say hi. So this is the winter melon milk tea, the matcha Thai, the mango, oh no, I was gonna say mango, matcha go-go. And then we got a free drink. This is a, I think watermelon have or strawberry?
Which one is yours?
This one is mine.
Okay, which one is yours?
Yeah.
And which is mine? The two?
Yeah, might be. Might as well.
Okay.
Try it.
Which one?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Like, describe the flavor.
It's a mixture of avocado and...
Wait, avocado.
It's matcha.
It's matcha.
Yeah, but it tastes like
Oh,
avocado.
like the...
And there's a flavor of something
Okay.
herbal. Something.
Probably the matcha.
It's matcha, a powder.
Powder. Okay.
1, 2, 3. So we are here at Old Sac, and this is a view of one of the bridges that we have.
Beautiful.
How do you feel, Dad?
Great and a little emotional and excited, of course, being with you again, Anak, here for almost like a year and a half. And I'm happy to see you tomorrow walking on your graduation. But this one is beautiful, and just strolling around here at Old Sac with Angelica and Zach here. Okay, thank you guys for bringing me and touring me around here.
This is calamari.
Angelica Iglesias Israel.
Please move to the bathroom from the right.
Hi.
Congratulations, Anak.
Happy na.
Yeah. So this is like a blackberry mint, like mocktail. It has lime, blackberry. I forgot what else was in there, but let's try it. sparkling soda. Oh, it's really tart. I like it though. Guess what I got? I got a Sonny's Angel. This is the animal series. This is series 1. I think I got a different, they have version 2 and I got the crocodile, but this is my second Sonny Angel. So let's open it. Okay, so thanks to me I was able to open it. No, I'm kidding. Zach opened it for me. So you could either get these characters. I'm gonna manifest for either the frog, the panda, maybe the sloth, or the monkey. That would be super cute. Dad, in my video. Oh no, I feel, oh no! Oh, it's giving koala. It's giving koala. Ah, it's still super cute. That's actually super cute. That's really cute. So, we went to Roseville Mall, and I got one thing from H&M. So this is, I have this same top but in black, but I found it in this color. It's kind of, it's giving like mustard yellow. I really like the neckline, and this is only like $12.99, so good. And then Daiso haul, I got this super cute pouch, so it's like there's 2 sides, so cute. And then I got a face towel with a cute giraffe, and then I needed like makeup pads, so I just got more over there. For my new bagu period, I just got like a clear little pouch, and that's my haul. Bye, Dad.
Bye-bye. Thank you for everything, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Put your
See you soon again.
your 85 in your backpack. Love you.
Of course. Ingat-ingat ha. Be good, guys.
Bye.
Okay.
Have a safe flight, Dad.